Peggy. Meow. Say something. Say something. Come on, Peggy. Meow. Meow. Hey. Oh, you're so pretty. You're so pretty. Yes, you are, Peggy. You're a pretty girl. You're a pretty girl.
Alright, now what are we doing?
We're doing country girl. Hey, pretty girl. Hey, pretty
Hello.
girl.
Hello.
Hey, pretty girl.
Hello.
Oh, hi, pretty girl.
Yeah. Whoa, there's a wall.
You look like a CCU girl in the makeup. Let me see. Man, the life of Taylor Hart.
And my Barbie leg.
That was scary.
Jessica, will you stop that?
No, I'm gonna be a filmmaker when I grow up.
Filmmaker?
When you grow up, God, girl, I hope you grow up soon.
If you grow up. You think she's gonna get it?
Like, don't poke me.
Here.
I want some of that.
I promise I'm taking my medicine.
I don't think so.
I promise
I don't take enough of it either.
I take 60.
I don't take enough
I took
of
2
it.
pills today. I promise.
Well, I don't think that's enough still.
It's so hard. Look at me trying to do the turkey leg, it just don't work.
Wait a minute, let me see that.
Oh, she might hit her.
Do it. Do it again, Brittany. I didn't get it. Do it again.
Come on, alright, Brittany, you ready? Ready? Okay. Let's do the turkey leg. Ready?
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Brittany, don't go too far over.
No.
Good thing I brought up on that.
You realize these are all going on Facebook, right? Oh. Oh.
Go put some clothes on.
Yeah, because remember, you're still at AB.
Oh,
Put the mustard up now.
I love mustard.
Mustard? Just kidding.
The mustard
Did you kiss
is-
her forehead? Did you kiss her forehead?
Yes, I did.
Mustard?
Mwah.
Mustard.
See right there, it's pink.
That's how I use this.
Move.